Delta0125 here again for YouTube, making the final G3 internals video. I have just got my G3 back together, and the reason why you're seeing like electrical tape and whatnot is because this is a used G3. It's been used for like 2 or 3 years now, but it's an original G3A3. So yeah, that's why you see that sort of like the exposed wire piece right here, which I'm going to have to correct before I go to another game, so my gearbox doesn't kill itself and whatnot, or the battery doesn't like connect or something. But anyways, you get the idea. So yeah, that's why I have a few things taped. But overall, yeah. A few points to note though about my gearbox is I'm not going to be putting the M120 spring in, nor will I be putting in the blue motor over here by JG. I'll be putting the black one in and the stock spring again, because when I was shooting the M120, yeah, it had a high firepower. It had a high feet per second and whatnot, but overall it really wasn't worth it, because the rate of fire like really slowed down, even though I had a high torque motor in there. And I also didn't have that tooth clipped off of the piston like I was originally planning, because I don't really want to do that yet. And I'm going to be getting a metal tooth piston anyways. So yeah, I got the stock spring still in there. I did change the air nozzle though. So I got the stock spring back in there, and I'm going to be using the turbo motor again. Came out of an Echo 1. So yeah, hopefully I will get a smart charger soon and a 9.6 volt battery. Other than that, another point to note is that these little screw holes down here in the bottom of your gearbox, which are for the pistol grip, the screws will sometimes strip, or the threads will strip. So another little trick that you can do, which most people that usually go take a trip or two to the hardware store every couple of weeks should know, is basically you can take a little bit of super glue and put it around the tip of these screws. These are about ready. Just probably pull those off the paper. Oh, yeah, that one's ready. I'll have to trim that one down a little bit. But yeah, you take those off once they're almost completely dry. Then you run them into the screw holes like you would any other screw, and they should fit. But it's only a temporary fix. So eventually you're going to have to like take that glue off and whatnot and redo it if you're going to keep the same screws, or you need to replace the screws or something. But anyways, yeah, I'm uploading these videos tonight and tomorrow night, if I don't get them all up tonight. But yeah. Oh, and one more thing, I don't know if I mentioned yet or not, but there is a spacer in your pistol grip when you open it up to get your motor out. That is a very crucial piece that you would want to keep, because the spacer is to push the motor further up into the gearbox so it connects to the gears. This is only needed for some motors. I didn't need it on the high torque motor, but I did on the turbo motor. So I'm not sure really what that means, but anyways, just a little piece that you might want to keep is this little spacer that comes out of the bottom of your pistol grip with your motor. Other than that, not much else to say about this G3, except it's got some really good range, really good feet per second anyways. So good power, good range, great accuracy, almost as good as a PSG-1, and that's almost right there with the PSG-1. But what I do need for it now is a scope mount and a couple of mid-cap magazines. We'll be filming another upcoming game, so but that probably won't be for another month or two. So yeah. Anyways, that's been the hints videos for the G3A3. Thanks for watching. Delta0125 signing out.